Hello everybody, welcome to visit Extension channel. Today I would like to introduce the China original discipline, Extenics. First, I would like to introduce my new book called Extenics Iogic of Innovation. The name of the book is 理智. What is meaning is called same as the Western logic. It's the way of the reasoning, the law of solving contradiction problem. Creative thinking, I think, is like the bird fine. So that is why the cover of my book uses very many birds. It is I take the photo in Nepal. I remember Stephen Jobs study meditation here because this freedom environment and make it have the creativity thinking, have the new product. I believe extended this theory can also do the same thing. What is extended? Extension theory, extension innovation method, and extension engineering formed a new science named extended. It is an original Chinese new science subject and study the possibility of extending things and rules and methodology of development innovation with the formalized patterns for resolving the contradiction problem. The nature of innovation started from solving contradiction. So, when it started, Professor Troyman is a mathematician, has studied this topic for the basic theory and methodology during the incompatible problem since 1976. After 8 years he studied, he published the first paper in Chinese Journal of Scientific Exploration in 1983. At this year, extended new subject birth. Extended is an original Chinese new science. It studies the possibility of extending things and rules and methodology of developing innovation with formalized patterns for resolving contradiction problem. First, we need to identify what is contradiction problem. In his book, Extended Theory, Method, and Application, and it is defined contradiction problem is the goal which cannot be achieved under current condition or under the limitation. So the formula is P means the problem equal to goal, upper arrow, and limitation L. Upper arrow means cannot achieve. My book is talking about that. Extended is an essential Chinese reason. When I attend the seminar in 2016, Extension Innovation Method, I see the seminar leaflet talking about Extension Innovation Method, Japanese Creative Method, as well as Russian Twist Method are listed 3 major creative methods. That is why I attracted my interest. I would like to learn what is the 3 important or major creative method in the world. My book, I used the short article to introduce the basic theory of extended and its application method, especially the 4th step of extension innovation method. 5 of my short article has been published in AM 730. It is one of famous free paper in Hong Kong. I will introduce later. The content, my book is in Chinese, but I will try to translate in English in my channel. Introduction, 4th step of Extension Innovation Methodology, EIM. The first step is model. Second step, extension. Extension for part 1 or part 2. And then transformation also separate from part 1 and part 2, have a different kind of transformation. And the last step is snapshot. At the end, I have the conclusion and also share my study experience for this 3 years. I'm studying since 2016 to 2019 and get the level 3 certification of this extension innovation method. The first class, I'll talk about extension quality. The quality I have 3 meaning in the translation from English to Chinese. It is different in Taiwan, Hong Kong, and mainland China. First, Taiwan and Hong Kong would like to use a brand and quality. China is quality and quantity. So it is a 3 main area: brand, quality, quantity. I would like to combine extension innovation method and quality management to improve the product and service, especially in the quality and also at innovation. What is the relationship between quality and innovation? This diagram I explained. Quality and innovation has a relationship. The green area is the intercept of the 2 sets. And the relationships come from this book, The Executive Guide to Innovation from Jan ASQ publication. And I meet Jan in ANQ conference here. So it is very able to read the ASQ in 2016 World Conference on Quality and Improvement. Therefore, we're talking about quality and innovation. Their intercept is improvement. Quality, 2 elements very important in quality. First, continuous improvement. Second, customer satisfaction. So, in this relationship, many Chinese talking about quality innovation. What does it mean? Maybe in the quality as a domain, as a set, and innovation as a subset. Another term, innovation quality, is mean the innovation is domain, it's a set, and quality is a subset. So today I just very brief introduce the first class of the extension channel in here. At the end, every seminar I've used Professor Troyman's photo. Let us to establish Chinese original discipline as standards, so as to achieve a culture of innovation, starting from standards. Thank you for your attention. See you next class. Bye.